go.
Thank you and good night.
Thank you, guys.